Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. CleanSpark stock plunged 15.6% on Tuesday. Although its trading volume and turnover rate were significantly enlarged on that day, this does not mean that the stock price has found a bottom. Because the trading volume distribution on that day was relatively scattered, it did not conform to the game rules of long capital absorbing chips at a low level, and combined with the overall panic sentiment in the current market, I think the stock price may continue to fall. The data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock ranged from 13% to 16% from August 27th to 29th, and the ratio rose to 21.8% on August 30th. The data for the stock on September 3rd has not yet been shown, but I expect it to be not much different from the data of the previous trading day. The sharp increase in the short-selling ratio means that the bearish sentiment of the stock has also increased significantly. The sharp fluctuations in the stock in August led to a large number of transactions accumulated between $10.60 and $12.70. But the result is obvious: the shorts won. Now that the stock's current rising cycle has ended, its next rising cycle will not come soon. The most critical thing for the stock price at present is to find a foothold. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the shorts continued to sell the stock from August 26th to August 30th, and the stock price also fell gradually. Despite this, the bulls tried to stop the short selling at the level of $10.60 from August 20th to 30th, because the stock price fell to this level in early August and then rebounded, but the bulls failed, so this price changed from support to resistance. The stock was sold heavily in the morning of September 3rd and accompanied by a large volume, but the stock price did not fall further in the afternoon, but consolidated around the level of $9, which reflects that due to the sharp drop in the stock price, some long funds entered the market to buy the bottom and try to maintain the stock price. But this does not mean that the stock price has found the bottom, because there are more funds flowing out of the market. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock has continued to have a net outflow of capital since August 26th, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. But it is worth noting that the net capital outflow of the stock on September 3rd was only $4.4 million. But the total transaction amount on that day was as high as $265 million. Which reflects that there are long capitals entering the market to try to push the stock price to rebound, but there is still a lot of capital out of the market in panic. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the position distribution of the stock between $10.60 and $12.70 is relatively concentrated, which puts a lot of pressure on the rebound of the stock price. The reason why I am still bearish on the stock is that this area is too close to the current price, and the positions generated by the stock on September 3rd are relatively scattered, so $9 does not seem to be the starting point for the stock price to rebound. For the target price, I give a level of $7. Because positions above $10 need to be diluted a lot so that the stock price can rebound, but now the stock price has just fallen. Although we have also seen a lot of capital entering the market to take over the chips, this may accelerate the crazy selling of shorts. Of course, the stock price may struggle at $9, but I think it is still possible to fall to $7, so that bulls can make considerable profits when it rebounds. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for CleanSpark stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.